So, that smaller kangaroo that just put its head up is a joey. It's a baby kangaroo or a kid kangaroo. It's probably a kid as it's not in its mother's pouch anymore. That big one, the big one that just put its head up, or it's a bit bigger, is the mother. It has a pouch, like all marsupials have a pouch, but only if they're a girl, because they take birth, except for seahorses. But there down below them is a magpie. They are a pretty fearsome bird, but yeah, they can sometimes, in spring, they have nests and they can swoop you, hurt you. Now there's a bird flying across to them, another little bird. It's near the magpie. And yes, that little bird flying up is a willy wagtail. They can actually lead their prey.
That's actually a peewee, that one.
Peewee, okay, it's a peewee. So a peewee's like a magpie, just it has a white belly and a black top. Right, now these were, these are not all marsupials. I think the kangaroos are marsupials and the others are birds. So yes, now that was an interesting talk. Bye everybody.